Excelente.
Okay. This is a puzzle game. That pieces there are puzzle pieces. You have to complete the picture. You will place the picture here by putting scotch tape at the back and you place it here. You have to put them correctly so that we will know what picture will you solve. So here, if you finish, we will know if you're finished if you shout your name. Yeah. But you have to learn first the action because these are claps. These are claps. Yeah. For the bravo, you say bravo. Very good. Now for the magnifico, you say magnifico. Very good. And for the excelente, you already know the excelente, right? Excelente. Okay, very good. So there you have the pieces and you have the full picture for your guys. Okay, so the first group who will win will have the reward. Okay, so let's start. 1, 2, ready, go! Time is ticking. You should have told this person the ground before you place it there. It will be more difficult. Okay, Team Magnifico is leading. Team Bravo is. Oh, look at your picture. It's not yet finished. Finish your picture. Again. Again. Go. Finish your picture.
Struggle lang daw.
Who was the first group? What group? What group? Okay, because Magnifico won. Let's give Team Magnifico the reward. Okay, one for you. One for you. That's the thing.